Even though we're enjoying the cool, dry days of fall, it's not too soon to start thinking about preparing your yard for the upcoming winter season. Hi, it's Steve from Parts Select. In this video, we'll discuss some of the maintenance tasks that you'll need to perform around your yard before the season changes and the snow flies. If you or your neighbors have lots of trees around, chances are you've got lots of leaves that go with it. Leaving your leaves on the lawn is not really healthy. Raking them up and playing in them sounds like a lot of fun, but it's also a lot of work. Another option would be to mulch them up with your lawnmower. Try to get them into dime-sized pieces and leave a thin layer of them on your lawn. They will compost over the winter and your lawn will thank you for it. If you do have leaves gathered in corners around your buildings, you'll want to clean those up though. Now, once most of the leaves have fallen, you'll want to inspect your gutters. Make sure they're clean, as well as your downspouts, so that they're working properly. And be sure to check out our other video on how to clean and maintain your gutters. And if you do have trees around your property, be sure to remove any fallen branches that may be laying around your yard, as they could present a hazard when covered with snow. You'll also want to check for any broken or weakened branches in your trees and remove them if possible. Remember, heavy wet snow could cause them to fall without any notice. Now, for pathways, you'll want to make sure that you keep those clear. Be sure to remove any obstacles that could cause a tripping hazard, such as a patio stone, that block of wood that you never got around to splitting up. It also would include tools and planters and those types of things. You'll also want to be sure to store your garden hoses and any outdoor tools in a dry place. Be sure to drain your garden hoses thoroughly before you put them away. If you have patio stones for a walkway, be sure to inspect those to make sure that you have no loose ones or uneven ones, and be sure to correct that before they become covered in snow. If you have gravel walkways, be sure to top up any low spots so that you don't have water collecting and freezing and causing a hazard. If you have any outdoor furniture or structures or even a barbecue, you should find a place to put those for the winter. If you don't have inside storage place, be sure to cover them securely. Thank you so much for watching this video. We certainly hope that you found it helpful. If you have any tips or suggestions, be sure to share them in the comments section below. For more videos on appliance repair, maintenance, and cleaning tips, be sure to visit our website. And remember to subscribe so you don't miss a thing.